Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Grand Cherokee side mirror easy guide. Start by folding the mirror and disconnecting the power. Remove interior trim, unbolt the mirror mount, swap the assembly, reconnect power, and test adjustment and heat. Work slowly, protect paint with tape, and keep fasteners separated. Use gloves and eye protection for safety, and confirm the replacement matches the original connector and mounting points. Remove the interior door panel and expose the mirror bolts using a panel tool to avoid scratches. Disconnect the electrical plug and unfasten any clips securing the harness before unscrewing the mirror bolts. Hold the mirror while removing the last fastener so it does not fall, then transfer the gasket and hardware to the new assembly as needed. Reinstall in reverse order and verify power, heater, and adjustment functions before replacing the trim. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them while wrenching for comfort and durability. Check the description for the link and other deals, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the new mirror does not operate, first inspect the fuse and test for voltage at the connector with a multimeter. Look for damaged wires, corroded pins, or a poor ground that could prevent power or heater function. Protect surrounding paint with tape and a soft cloth under the mirror during removal and install. If glass is cracked or fit does not match, replace the entire assembly and double-check part compatibility before final reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.